The Mopeka Pro Check Sensor gives accurate real-time readings of your propane level straight to a phone app, so you are not guessing before a barbecue or trip. It attaches magnetically to the bottom of the tank in just a few seconds, and the strong magnets stay put even on bumpy roads with a recreational vehicle. The ultrasonic technology in this latest model delivers more consistent measurements than older stick-on gauges, and it works with both vertical and horizontal cylinders. An integrated temperature sensor and built-in bubble level help you fine-tune placement and understand how weather is affecting the propane in the tank. The improved battery life means you can install it and largely forget about it for a long stretch instead of constantly swapping batteries before every season. The free companion app supports multiple tanks, customizable alerts, and optional remote access through the brand's Bridge or Monitor accessories, making it flexible for home and travel use.